looking at myself.
I can't believe you're taking a selfie, right?
I'm not taking a selfie, I'm checking that. That looks alright. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to another Thank Truckers Friday. It's nearly Christmas, how exciting. We're going to take you through our top buys for truckers this Christmas, our top gifts. We've got a nice selection here for you. Bit of everything for everyone's budget. So hopefully nothing that will break the bank, and also those nice little stocking fillers as well. We've got the Christmas tree set up. There's a Michellin Man on the top. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there is. And he's in the festive spirit. We're in the festive spirit. So let's get into it and I'll talk you through the best gifts this Christmas. Okay, so we'll start with the cheapest item on our list this year. It's the Monkey Mitt. It's just a microfiber scrub mitt, perfect for cleaning inside, outside, your truck, your car, whatever. Cool idea, wear it as a glove, clean away. £3.50, great little stocking filler. So yep, that's the first thing. I'm just gonna hoik these over and someone will come and clear them up later. So next on the list is the air duster gun, which I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with. Easy, get the dust out of your cab, especially if you're in a dusty environment, perhaps you're in agriculture or construction or anything like that. Quick T connection. You might find that your truck actually has an air connection, in which case this is just a push fit. If not, it does come with the TP, so you can go into the air on your seat, splice the pipe, push fit connector straight in, nothing else, and fully functional air gun. That comes in at $9.95. Again, another great little stocking filler. We have the poppies, and we have the LED base for the poppies as well. You've probably seen these. These are by Gracemate. Very, very popular air fresheners. Come in a massive amount of flavours. They're not flavours, they're fragrances, but everyone calls them flavours anyway. We've got citrus, we've got pine, we've got vanilla, we've got cherry, we've got strawberry, we've got lavender. Whatever this one is, Freshener. Flowery, I think. And then we also do the LED base as well. Comes with a controller, so you can change the colours. Put this on the dashboard, sit that on the top, plug it into your cigarette lighter, and you can light it up. Makes pretty colours, very festive, all that sort of stuff. Base comes in at £6.26, bit of a random price, and the poppies are $9.95. Moving on from that, we've got the 1-cup coffee maker from Dometic. Again, nice little stocking filler. It's $21.67. 24 volt, also available in 12, just plugs into your cigarette lighter. Whack the cup in there, make yourself a nice little cup of coffee, instant coffee. Great to have in the cab. It's small as well, nice and compact, so you can pop it in the locker when you're not using it. Great brand, Dometic, very reliable. They've been around for years. Nice little product, this one. So moving on from that, we've got the wireless charger, which goes on your windscreen, comes with a suction mount. Works with all the new, your new iPhones, your new Android phones, Huawei, whatever you've got. Got the QI wireless charging technology. Obviously, it has to have a cable for power. You just plug that into your USB or your SIG plug. Soft grip as well, so it's got like these clasps on the outer here, so it just grips any phone. It's really universal. Nice little product. Comes in at £22.50. Okay. I have a glamorous assistant behind the camera who's showing me pricing, and I can't quite see this one.
We've got the Mini Michellin Man.
Mini Michellin Man.
$24.95.
Mini Michellin Man, official product from Michelin. Basically a dash dolly. Comes on a little set of tyres. That's what we've got on the top of our tree up here. Little sticky pad, sit them on your dashboard. Lovely little stocking filler, especially if you don't know what to buy someone. It's kind of one of those random gifts that's pretty useless, but also pretty nice. Like we said, $24.95. Official product from Michelin. Okay, something a bit more practical. We're going up in the pricing now. We're up to $39.95, so the £40 bracket. Maybe a bit much for a stocking filler, but we have this portable LED work light, or bar, basically. Very clever. Comes with 2 magnetic bases on either end. The legs are adjustable, so if you're working up under a bonnet, or you're at home in the garage or something like that, or in your kitchen, you need to do some work, you sit it on the floor, whatever. It's super bright, I mean, really bright. It does the 2 levels of power as well, so you can dim the light if it is too bright for you. Also ships with a hook as well, which we've probably left in the box, but oh no, there it is. So it comes with a There we go, we should have prepared there earlier. This comes with a hook as well, so you can hang it up. Really handy little thing. Comes with a charger for the car, the truck, and also the home, so you can charge it wherever you want. $39.95, nice gift, especially for the practical minded. Okay, next up we've got the 5-cup coffee maker from Dometic. Now this one here is kind of like the daddy to the little baby 1 cup that we did earlier. This is a 12-volt model, but it comes in 24-volt, of course. But again, if you're a van driver, perfect. It's basically a bigger version, so you can fill it up. It will hold 5 cups worth of coffee. Again, comes with a cigarette lighter charger. Dometic, great brand. Solid unit. Great present for someone who's out on the road all week. Comes in at £45.83. We like our random price in here. Up next we have our safety trainers. Now we've already done a little bit of a video on these. Got the stylish pink because it goes with my eyes. No, not really. But yeah, so safety trainers. Fed up of the clunky work boots that you have to wear, especially for you guys driving around in trucks all day. Proper steel toe caps, fully EU approved. You can go on site with these. They can't kick you off. They're legal. You can wear them. Come in all range of colours, not just the pink. We've got them in black, we've got them in blue, we've got them in orange, we've got them in gold actually now as well. Currently now as well, if you buy a pair, you get a free set of wipes or a packet of wipes to wipe them down to keep them clean. Got Kevlar sole on them as well, I should tell you that. So if you stand on a nail or something, it won't punch you through, or shouldn't punch you through. Great gift for that trucker, £49 a pair, and yeah, exclusive to us here at Kuda, these ones. Okay, moving on from them, we have the kettle from Dometic. Again, we're very in-cab here, but this is £52.50. It's a 750ml kettle, 24-volt, also available in 12-volt. Has a auto cut-off, so it can't boil dry, and it has a very clever little ceramic plate in the bottom of it as well, so there's no like physical heating element. It's all done on this little ceramic plate. Comes with a base, also comes with a bracket as well, so if you want to secure it into the truck, onto the dashboard permanently, you can. Still plugs into your 24-volt socket. 20 amps, is fairly powerful, it will boil quite quickly. And yep, again, another nice little one. I think I did the price on that, £52.50. Okay, next up we have the daddy of Michellin Men. This is the collectible. This is the one that everyone wants. Michelin released a certain number of them last year, or the year before last even, and they've come in with a second round. These are £109. It's the big traditional Michellin Man mascot. Comes with the mounting bracket, so you can put it on your light bar, you can put it on your cab, you can put it on your sun visor. If you want it inside your cab, you can do that, whatever you want to do. Ships with everything you need. They don't light up. The amount of questions we get, they don't light up. They're not designed to light up. We have had customers in the past that have drilled holes and put light inside them. That's fine, but they're not designed for it. Again, official Michelin product, comes with a certificate. They're all individually serial numbered. Keep them in the box, not this one, but keep them in the box. They're going to be worth a few quid in a few years, just like the old ones are. Grab them now. We've only got a few available on the website, them ones. And lastly, at the top of the budget, for the big spender, is our favourite. It's the TomTom Go Professional 6250. It's the trucker's nav, it's the trucker's choice, it's the market leader. We've done a video on this, check out our YouTube channel. It's a really extensive in-depth review and an unboxing on it. This is the must-have gadget for a truck driver. This year, last year, next year, whatever. £323 plus that. We do 0% finance, so you can spread the cost monthly as well, from about £30, I think, something like that. Or you can split it in 3, pay in 30 days. All of those options are on our website. But getting back to this, I can't stress enough, this is the market leading truck Sat Nav. We're not just saying it because we sell it. It really is the best. It integrates with your phone. It will do Siri. It will do your Katana on your whatever the Microsoft one is, whatever. Gives you your live traffic. It's got full European truck maps, so it won't just send you around. It won't send you under any bridges. You can put in your ADR requirements. It's got the point of interest for the trucking and truck stops. It will tell you where you can park your truck. It will tell you the cost of the fuel. It's extensive. It's a really decent piece of kit. It is the top of the budget on our gift guide this year, but really, if you fancy treating someone, go for this. This is the one. And we're also giving away a free case with them as well for the whole month of December. So if you buy one, you get a free case. This comes with the mounting pad and stuff for your dashboard, your windscreen charger and all that sort of stuff, but they don't come with the case as standard. But this month, December, we're giving you a free case. Order them now, order them online. Don't miss out. Seriously, don't miss out. That is, I think that's about 13 or 14 products. I lost count there, not counting all the different flavors, fragrances of poppy. They're the ones that we've picked. We believe they are the ones this season that every trucker is going to want. Some of them have got, you know, they've been around for years, and air duster gun's not a new idea. It's always a popular gift. It's great if you want an idea. That's the whole point of this video, is to try and give you guys ideas to buy each other gifts. Anything else, please go onto our website. We have like 5,000 products on there. It is all nicely categorized. Don't worry, you won't get swamped. Like I said earlier, we do finance as well. So if you are racking up the bill, you can spread the cost over 6 months. You know, try not to pay for Christmas all at once. If it's interest free, basically, you know, you're not getting charged anything extra for it, so it's a no-brainer. Finance is provided by Klarna. Terms and conditions do apply on that, so please see the website for details. But that's it. That brings us to the end of this. I'm sure we'll see you again before Christmas, but if we don't, have a Merry Christmas, have a very Happy New Year. Thank you so much for all of your support this year. It's been great. We can't wait for next year. And yeah, happy holidays. See you soon.